Hi friends, I am Vijay Venkat. Welcome to my YouTube channel, My Education World. Friends, in my previous video, I have explained up to assigning a background image and styling the button and so on. Friends, in this video, I am going to introduce you to a new concept called reusability. This reusability means reusing the CSS rule set. Means if we are assigning two buttons in our website, we use a certain CSS rule set to style that button and another button to style that. We need not to write many rule sets to style each and every button. We can just write one CSS rule set and apply it for both buttons. If we, for suppose, if we see here the right corner, here there are two buttons, join now and start now. And if I go to the CSS rule set, I have assigned a CSS rule set with the selector name button and some properties. I have written that with a height 36 pixels and width 120 pixels and the text color as white. If I want to use for a two buttons, we just connect it to HTML using HTML attribute and select the name button, and when I run it, it have changed that previous button has now by applying the properties. If we need to apply that to the start button also, we can just connect it with the attribute and use the select ms button. And when I run it, this start now button also changed using that property. We did not to write two rule sets for each and every button. We can write one rule set and apply it for both. So I'm adding another option, that is the point that we can provide a multiple names to class attribute value. So that means if we want to add a background color to each and every button, for suppose I need to add a green color for join now button and a blue color for start now button. For that, we did not to take any div containers and add them. By taking a space, I have already assigned the CSS rule sets for that. For a green color, I have taken a button green as a CSS selector name and property name as a background color and value as a green, and again another rule set a button blue background color as a property name and the blue as a property value. So we need not to any add div containers and add a class attribute and give that name to that. We just give a space, we just give a space this. We need to add a green background to join now button. So in join now class attribute property values, after button we just give a space and we add that selector name button uh, green. So when we run that, now the background color of the join now has changed to green color. For that similarly, in start now button also, we just give a backspace, we just give a space and assign that selector name, that is the button blue. So when I run it, now the background the color of the start now button also has changed. That is not only two property values, we can assign many property values, that is giving a space between each and property value, each and every property value. So like that we can give assign these property values and make our program more fast. So please don't forget these rules and be follow for your websites. If you want to use the two buttons, not only buttons, if we can use a heading, we can use these similar properties and use in your website. So I'm going to introduce a new topic in my next video, that is a bootstrap. So please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.